How to change your age on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your age on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically change your age on Twitter, all you have to do is open up the Twitter application here, then just tap on the profile photo from the top left of the screen, and then just go to the option called profile. From the profile option, you want to just make sure to tap on the edit profile button on the right hand side of the screen here, and as you do that, over here you'll find an option that says birth date. So you can just tap on the birth date option here, and then just tap on the edit button. It will ask you to edit it, so just tap on edit, and then now you can simply change the year to something that would make you over some type of years or something like that. So once you change your birthday, your age will also get automatically changed on Twitter. And that's all it takes to change the age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.